This video is meant as a brief tutorial for our teachers to show you how to navigate around inside of 321 Read Plus for the STEM words. At the bottom of the home screen is the teachers. Click here. This will take you to the teacher menu. We're going to look at the STEM words. There are 3 levels: pre-K or nursery school through 1st grade, 2nd grade to 6th grade, 7th to 12th grade. If you have a 1st grader who is doing really well in their reading, you might advance them to level 2. If you have a student who's in 2nd grade who is a bit slow, you might have them start out in level 1. And then you can go through each of the levels as you want to. So we'll start out with level 1. Now inside of level 1, we have Module 1, Module 2, and Module 3. Module 1 has the first 10 words. Module 2 has the second 10 words. Module 3 has the third 10 words. We have a learn mode and a review mode in each one of the modules. So for the learn mode, here we're going to do words 1 through 10 and we're learning. So what they need to do is touch or click the word and listen.
Artificial.
And then they say it. Artificial.
Artificial.
Artificial. When they're ready, advance to the next word. Touch it.
Intelligence.
Say it. Intelligence.
Intelligence.
Intelligence. Once you're happy, have them go to the next word.
AI.
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 AI. Next word, etc. Okay. You would have them continue to go through each one of those sequentially, but if you want to navigate, if you touch the screen and drag it, you can go back to the previous menu with that back button. This will take you to the menu. If you want to go to the teacher menu, go back one more time. Now you're at the STEM menu, Now we're going to look at the review mode. We're doing the review STEM words. So they're going to touch here.
Artificial.
And it's going to say a word, and they need to pick which word is the correct word down here. If they do, it'll advance.
Intelligence.
Which of these words is intelligence? It's here, but if they pick the wrong word, it does that. It will only advance if they pick the right word. If you forget which word it is, just touch it again.
Intelligence.
This word.
AI. Robot. Android.
Element. Mineral. Chemical. Compound. Electron.
Once they finish all the words, you'll be taken to the finish screen. They touch that. It tells them to contact you, the teacher, for your next assignment. And when they do that, it'll take them back to the home screen. For you to send a module to a student, let's say you wanted to send them the first module, the module 1, the first 10 words. So for you to do that, you just hold the button down. It'll give you a pop-up, and then you press copy. That copies the link. Now you can go anywhere on your Facebook Messenger, Telegram, an email, and you can basically paste that link, and that'll give them a direct link to this page right here. So when they first come on, they will come on to this page, and ask them when their child or their student is ready to start. Hand them the cell phone, and then their child will touch this and they will begin. It's better to not show the children the navigation down here, because then they can skip ahead. If they can't see the navigation, they have no choice other than to just hit one of these 2 buttons. And if they hit the buttons, that's a good thing. They can't do anything wrong that way. But if you want to jump ahead, or back, you can go back to the menu this way. Or if you ever get lost, just go back to your home screen, which is here. And then your teacher button is here. That takes you to your teacher menu. STEM button. Now these words, the level 1 each has 10 words per module. But if we go back, I scroll down, if we go to level 2 has 20 words per module. And they're the same words, but in this case, they have 20. And each week I'll be adding additional modules. So when you come on here to watch this, when you're watching this instructional video, right now we only have module 1, but when you come on to level 2 later, you will see additional modules in here. But these work the same way. You send them a link by holding that down and hitting copy. And then once you hit copy, you'll be able to email or Facebook message that link. And that will take them to this page right here. They're learning words 1 through 20. They're level 2 now. And when they start, it'll be the same thing, but now they have 20 words instead of just 10. So to get back to your navigation again, go down here, and we'll go back to here. So these are the different levels. Level 3 is not coded yet. Maybe when you watch this video, it might be. But to see if it's coded, you just come here. See, right now it says under construction. Once I have it coded, it will no longer say under construction. When you see that not there, then that means these work. So I'm going to go back here. But this one works currently. So the review mode in this one is the same one. When they're ready, you hand them your cell phone and they begin here. They touch a button.
Artificial.
Listen for it.
Intelligence.
Now, in this case, there's 20 words, so it's going to take them a little longer to go through it. But when they're done, it's going to be the same type thing. It'll go to the clapping, and then it'll take them back to the home screen. So that's an introduction to how you use the STEM words from the teacher menu. So if you have any questions, just let us know.